What's up, Montgomery County? Chris Nelson here, your neighborhood friendly realtor, and I know that time is of the essence. But if you can spare 60 seconds with me today, I'm going to show you this property right here at 100 Gwynmont Avenue in North Wales in 60 seconds or less. Let's throw 60 seconds on the clock and make it happen. Let's go. So there you have it, 100 Gwynmont Drive right here in North Wales. And if I can show you this property or any other for that matter, feel free to reach out. My contact information is soon to follow. And with that being said, take care.